Broadcast. Want to welcome everyone to Global Markets Radio Daily Recap. I'm your host, Andrew Spanton. Thursday, March the 22nd, 2012. The stars were aligned today, baby. 4 p.m. Eastern. What a day. What a day. What a doggone day. Oh, baby. Not going to play any songs. I did the Cotton Eye Joe. Gave us the luck we needed. Bang! Dollar yen getting taken out to the woodshed and shot. Maybe I'll do that. Stock market really not even down that much. S&Ps down 10. Big deal. Oh, baby. We're going lower. Abso-freaking-lutely. We might not collapse. But again, in looking at this chart, I see a gorgeous, I mean a freaking gorgeous Head and Shoulders. Take a look. Left shoulder. Head. Right shoulder. We're going to drill down to here. And then pop up to here. And then stall. We're still not even below here. I am shocked that this market was not down more. I am shocked. Shocked. In my career, I don't think I've seen, probably not since 2008, a litany of data that just was disgusting across the board. I mean, disgusting. We're going to go through all these numbers. Every single one of the G7 almost. Terrible. New Zealand, GDP, down, up 0.3. Estimates were 0.6. That's a 50% haircut from the estimate. And the revision was even a little bit lower. Disgusting. China. We're going on a field trip to China. PMI 48.1. That's HSBC. That's not even the Chinese number, which you can't trust. That's the HSBC one. And that's a flash number of things going on right now. I sense flash crash 2.0 coming. All these idiots. Kramer saying no big deal. How about the reaction in the market last night when it happened? Oh, baby. These idiots on TV are telling you to buy stocks here. Now, again, maybe on a pullback. I can understand that. You know, there's a case. The U.S. economy is doing great. But last I checked, 40% of the S&P earnings came from overseas. We've become more of an export economy than we have versus the consumption economy that collapsed in 2008. Correct? So this is just nothing. Look at this. This is nothing. And if you track the Aussie dollar, to the S&P, we're going a lot lower. That's down to that 1350 level on the S&P. Is it not? Yes, it is. Hell yeah. So when we take a look at the situation continuing, Eurozone, what the hell numbers were that? And then, of course, we melted down. But this Aussie, it's toast. And again, when you look at the Fibonacci, yeah, it came back a little bit today. Question is, where do you do Fibonacci from? Here, here, or here? If you do it from here, which is fair, that's 102.50. We might get there tomorrow. Hello. Hell yeah. The golden retracement. The golden. We went through the 50. That means we go to the golden. I love the fact that they bounced them. Bring it on. So again, if you look at the Aussie, because in my opinion, the Aussie is the highest yielder in the G7, that is the one. And again, people, you know, I'm getting sick and tired of some of you not going premium. I'm ready to stop doing my freaking videos for a couple of days. freaking freebies. Isn't it time? Isn't it time to try my product? I have 1 week trial. I feel like talking like Kramer. He makes me sick. You know, there are times where I actually give the guy credit, and there are times where I trash him. Right now, I'm trashing him. Because for him, he turned. He was bearish. He wasn't buying into this bull crap. And all of a sudden, last week or so, he's just gone bajiggity bearish, bullish. He was saying to be hesitant last week. China, a disgusting number. So again, we look at that Australian dollar. We're going lower. This S&P 1300. I could even see. I big time see it. And by the way, some of you premium members, I love the fact that some of you disagree with me going so bearish, and you're so chicken shit to even come in the room. You know who you are. Premium. Interesting, Cordell. Very interesting. No faith in A. That's what we call it. It's called faith in A. Oh, baby. But we look at this euro, and this Head and Shoulders just continues to look gorgeous. And we even look at the, you know, I don't do this often. Look at the 15-minute. Look at that little head. Look at that Head and Shoulders. Yeah, we rallied a little bit more than I thought we would. I thought we'd stall here. But who cares? Look at that. I think we could easily see 31, 30, 50. We got Head and Shoulders on the 15-minute. We got Head and Shoulders on daily. Hello. 30, 50 would be nice. Now, they came back today. No hammer. No soup for you. Just faith. Faith. Just have faith. German, flash, manufacturing, PMI, 48.1. Estimate was for 51.1. Previous month was 50.2. That's a complete reversal of fortune. That's a complete reversal. We're finally starting to get, I think, the numbers that should have been coming out. Eurozone is falling off a bloody cliff. And now Germany, which is the engine of growth in the Eurozone, is completely slowing. German flash services PMI, 51.8. Previous month, 52.8. The estimate was for an uptick from previous month to 53.1. 51.8. Oh, baby. That's not good. And again, risk off trades. So we had that Euro Aussie, Euro Kiwi going up. So I think that's one of the reasons why the Euro was so supported today. And we'll get to the yen carry trades. Don't worry. We'll get there. Don't tell me charts don't work. Don't tell me shooting stars don't work. Hello. Don't tell me they don't work. I mean, there's a reason why I play Cotton Eye Joe. I couldn't help myself. Look, that chart. It doesn't get no prettier than that. When have I pounded the table, you morons? When was the last time that I put it on the table? Hopefully you did well. My job is to try and make you money. The only voice who really likes to make you money. I give away so much crap for free, it's unbelievable. And I know I lose you some money sometimes. No one's perfect. London, retail sales. Disgusting. Sterling. I'm amazed. I thought sterling was going to collapse. Forget it. Bye-bye. Money in the bank. It's going to be tonight's trade. Don't worry. Abso-freaking-lutely. And it's Friday. I think we go down to 57. Easy. Easy. And I think, you do Fibonacci. Look at that. The first line of defense is 57. When things line up like that, you must take notice. Abso-freaking-lutely. So target on Kiwi, on pound dollar. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. -0.8. Revision lower. Estimates for -0.5. Worse than expectations. Eurozone industrial new orders down 2.3%. Disgusting. How about dollar Canada? Terrible numbers. Looney Tunes. That's Swissy. We'll get to that. Another one. That still looks good. Even though it came back, it didn't explode like I thought it would, but who cares? Still looks good. Dollar Canada, breaking this whole downtrend channel. China's slowing. The only thing now is the U.S. market, but housing is still not doing well. I think so. It's time for this paper to fly like the wind. Look, they're popping this stupid dollar yen into the close. But retail sales supposed to be up 0.5%. They were down. They were freaking down 0.5%. That's not good. Unemployment claims out of the U.S., yes, a little better. But again, we're still not even close to 300,000. We're still not even close. Dollar yen, again, completely overbought. Some people saying, why? Well, bond yields continue to go down. We've been tracking bond yields lately. And this thing looks like it has more to go. Abso-freaking-lutely. Certainly 82. Monster spot. Look, 20 EMA. Even got support. That's like 81.90-ish. It's pretty damn good there. But certainly 82. We might hit that in Asia. I mean, dollar yen, you felt it last night, did you not? Air. No buyers. They're gone. Gone. Yes, Evan spoke. And there, you doing it again, Hugh. Posting shit in my room when I'm doing my recording. Didn't I speak about this? Yes, accommodation, you would have thought, though, gold would have been up on that. It was not. Right? Gold came back. Maybe that's one of the reasons why it came back, but still couldn't explode. That's why I think gold is still a short. And again, U.S. numbers. Leading index, I don't really like that number. It was a little bit better, but revision was lower. House price index. Donut, a big fat 0. Supposed to be up 0.2. Terrible. Not good. And the Belgian business climate, I know it's not a big number to most of you, but Belgium really has a big economy. Strong driver of growth. Small, but they do very, they're hard workers over there. Falling off a cliff. Negative 9.6. It was negative 6.7. It was supposed to get better. It got worse. It got worse. So, once again, I can't remember. 2008. Last time that I saw the economy falling off a cliff like what we saw last night. We are entering a double dip. Double dip your pleasure. Abso-freaking-lutely. So again, going through the charts. Yens, tremendous. Just tremendous. What can I say? Euro yen. Thank you, sir. May I have another? Bang! Sterling yen. Thank you, sir. May I have another? Bang! Aussie yen. Thank you, sir. May I have another? Bang! Kiwi yen. Bang! And, of course, Luna yen. I missed that Swiss yen. I gave up on it. Sorry. Luna yen. Bang! Oh, baby. So, where are we going from here? We're going down. We're going down. And I just think Asia and Europe are going to be sellers. Could they rally us? Could we rally in the U.S. session? Maybe. Maybe. It's funny. Like, yeah, we made money today, but I just love being right. I think that's part of my problem. I love being right. Oh, baby. And, man, when was the last time I played Cotton Eye Joe? When was the last time I slapped it on the table? And just to hear these idiots telling you to buy stocks here, it's ludicrous. It's irresponsible. They should be flogged. You want to buy on the pullback? Go ahead. Be my guest. I could be wrong on that. I'm not saying we're going to collapse. I think we are, but I could easily be wrong. But to buy up here, and especially when the foreign exchange market was telling you, pound Aussie, pound Kiwi, holy crap, pound Kiwi, big pullback, but what a day. Ooh, mama. I still think it's going up. I don't buy that reversal. It should have come in a lot more. Again, that New Zealand economy is collapsing. Absolutely. Not good. Half the estimates? Terrible. As far as numbers, we have none really coming out tonight. Asia, we got consumer confidence out of London at 8 p.m. Eastern. Supposed to be 49. These morons, these prognosticators, these people that get paid millions of dollars to be economists, suck. They suck. And they're not getting it right. The SMB today, by the way, pounding the table. They will act. That's a good sign for dollar Swiss, saying the Swiss franc is still highly overvalued, the Swiss franc. I don't agree. I think if the global economy collapses, they're going to flock back there. So, yes, we might go up. We might even go up big. But at the end of the day, I still think this thing is not done. And the SNB will be tested. Their resolve. They will be tested. Absolutely. Futures. Amazing. They closed them strong, decent. They did close them better. It looked like we were going to collapse at the end of the day, didn't it? Damn. They brought them back, but that's no hammer. That ain't no hammer in the S&Ps. No freaking way. Really, London mortgage approvals, Italian retail sales, yeah, they're supposed to be better than expected, by the way. And yeah, London consumer confidence, yeah, right. 47 was last month, supposed to be better, 49. I don't think so. I don't see you Brits doing that great. Do you? I didn't think so. So, in looking at this, Canadian CPI, you would think it could be hot. But again, they're looking for an increase versus the previous month, so I don't know about that. Oil certainly hasn't exploded. It's actually drifting a little lower. Not much. And I don't know. Again, I think this Canadian dollar looks like it wants to launch. I think that if risk is off, we're going to explode, in my humble opinion. U.S. new home sales, big deal. It's only 10% of the real estate industry. Who cares? Existing home sales, that's another story. And we saw that yesterday. Bernanke Lockhart also speaking. And hey, we get normalized. You guys have daylight savings times over there, huh? Oh, that's good. And that's it. But again, S&P, we didn't come back enough. No way. We go lower. And I can't wait to hear that jerk-off Kramer come on TV again and tell us to buy. I can't wait. Can't wait. And I'll tell you, with that New Zealand number, you would think this thing would go higher. Nice trade in that last night on that GDP. Hopefully you did well on it. Again, all the numbers look terrible. The only game in town is the United States economy. So you would think the U.S. dollar should continue to do well. Risk off, dollar rallies. Macroeconomics, dollar rallies. Makes sense, doesn't it? Dollar index. While we had a nice pullback, we really need the market to melt. We really need the stock market to really come in. It wasn't not down not much at all. The VIX was only up 44 freaking cents. Bond yields need to come back down to 2% on the 10-year. Then we got something. But look at this dollar index. I don't see any reversal. I see strength. I see it going up. Certainly making a run back to the highs. 81. Even 82. Take that. to the bank. All right, everyone. So, again, hopefully you did well last night. Hopefully you benefited. And freebies, I don't know. If I keep making everyone money, I might stop doing my videos for a couple of days to make you. Oh, I only get 100 people to watch me anyway. So maybe get some of you off the freaking couch and make a move and try my damn product. Andrew Spanton. 1 week free trial. Email me, info@globalfxllc.com, the only voice you'll ever need, who truly loves to make you money. And I would imagine last night you rang the register. Did you not? Have a good one.